So good evening to one and all present on this call. And today, me and Mamta, we are going to introduce you to a unique system of meditation called SAHAJA Yoga Meditation. This meditation, unique way of meditation, was discovered by Her Holiness Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, who not only discovered it but traveled worldwide, spreading to thousands of people all over the globe. We are fortunate to have known this system of meditation and we have applied it in our life. We are the common man who live in daily life with all the daily problems, all the daily activities, all the family issues, and everything. But when we accepted this form of meditation, it brought about a great change in our life and also in the life of the people around us. So that's why we would like to share with you what we learned so that it brings joy and bliss to your life as well. I'll be sharing my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. The first slide
Ma'am, it's visible.
About the most common thing that is very relevant in today's time. If you can't go outside, go inside. So this basically states that whatever peace, whatever satisfaction, whatever bliss, or whatever joy you want to achieve, it cannot be achieved by going outside, but it can be achieved by finding your own self. So all the peace in the world can only be achieved by traversing instantly within your own self, within your subtle system. So that's the basis of Sahaja Yoga meditation. Sahaja in Sanskrit means Saha means with you and Ja means born. So something that is born within you. In Sahaja Yoga meditation, we believe that there is an innate energy within each and every human being which can be awakened. And when this energy is awakened, that not only does it clear or remove all the blockages within your physical body, but it also brings about a change in your mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. And you will gradually experience, you will gradually see things, unfolding itself, solutions being found for yourself. And that's how Sahaja Yoga has brought about changes in our life. This unique discovery we attribute to Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, who is a medical doctor by qualification, and she has studied the internal subtle system of human body. And in the subtle system, that's what we will be taking you further today, the details of the subtle system. And Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi has always mentioned that this inner energy is within all of us. And it is the one which does the thing, which is responsible for the growth. It is the one which sprouts a seed. When you put a seed onto the soil, we do not say anything to the soil, right, to sprout the seed. It sprouts by itself. So that is the energy that we are tapping on today. So this energy is present within each and every one of us, and it is born with us. And that's why it is called Sahaja Yoga. So it is the last evolution in the evolution of mankind, that is tapping this energy, releasing it, and helping it merge with the universal all-pervading power. So the chart that you see here on the screen is the subtle system, human subtle system. It consists of nadis and chakras that we are aware of. The nadis are also called energy channels, and the chakras are called the energy centers. So there are 7 main chakras that you see on the screen here. The first chakra starts at the base of the spine, and the last one is on top of our head. apart from these 7 energy centers that you see along the central channel, there are 2 nadis, that is the right and the left. The left nadi is the blue one in color, and it is represented here on your left side. The right channel, energy channel, is yellow in color, and it is represented by this right side of your body. For today, we'll quickly go through each and every of this chakra and then learn the quality. And further down, the agenda for today is to help you all attain the process or attain the experience of self-realization. So, we talked about the motherly energy that is present within all of us. So, this particular energy is residing here in this triangular bone area, which is called the sacrum bone. And when this energy awakens to the process of Sahaja Yoga meditation, it passes through the central channel, traverses each and every energy center, and it finally reaches here. And that is the experience that we will be helping you attain today. So before we begin, let's just see. The first energy center is at the base of the spine, that is represented by a red dot, and it is called the Mooladhara chakra. This is the most important chakra because it is the one which supports the motherly energy. The motherly energy, which is inside this triangular bone area, it is called the Kundalini energy. So about this Kundalini energy, the second chakra, which is called the Swadhisthana chakra. And this particular chakra stands for the quality of creativity within us. Then third chakra is the Nadi chakra, which is in our stomach area. And this particular thing represents peace, contentment, and satisfaction qualities within us. Above it is the heart chakra. The heart chakra is the one which is actually responsible for the qualities of compassion and love. And the fifth chakra above the heart is the Vishuddhi chakra, which stands for the property of selectivity. So when this chakra is awakened, we leave all the feelings of guilt and we are collective with all the other people in the world. So that represents the quality of selectivity. The sixth energy chakra is on your forehead, and this represents the quality of forgiveness. And the last energy chakra is the Sahasrara chakra, which is on top of your head in the continental bone area. It represents the quality of integration. And this is where the motherly energy within us merges with the universal power or the universal all-pervading energy of the universe. So there's a brief walkthrough of all the energy centers and the channels. The channel, the blue channel or the channel on the left represents our past, that is our thoughts, the feelings of depression or, the sorrow or the feelings, the sad feelings that we have, all is represented in this particular side, that is the left channel. The right channel represents the futuristic action that we carry out, the planning that we carry out, the exit planning. So during the course of the day, we people have a lot of feelings, which drag us either towards the right or towards the left. Sahaja Yoga meditation helps you to get to your center channel. And when we get to our center channel, that is when we achieve a state of balance. And the balance reflects as total coordination and perfect union with the universal energy. So this is about the chakras and the nadi. So together they form the subtle system. So now without further ado, let's just begin the experience of meditation. Let us first sit comfortably. If you're sitting on a chair as me, You could just sit on the chair without anything on your feet. Like that is like remove your shoes or your socks that will be removed. That is the comfortable position. And let your feet be resting on the ground. That is the requirement. Your hands will stay like this on your lap. Okay. And be comfortably seated, be relaxed, and let's begin. So the process actually starts with clearing of your right energy channel and your left energy channel and balancing your central. And further down the line, we will then clear the most important chakras that we have out of the seven that we need. So that is what the entire agenda is for today. So let us begin. I will be sharing my video once again, and I will just show you how to handle it. Here, so first balance our left hand. That is, our left hand on the lap and the right hand will be towards the ground. Or if you're seated on the ground, you can just place it on the ground. This is the first step. The second step will be to clear your right channel. As you see on the screen, you'll be placing your right hand on your lap, as shown in the figure, and the left hand points towards the side. So this is how we will be clearing our right channel. The third step is balancing of both, wherein your palms will first face towards the ground. You say an affirmation, and then we keep them on our lap. It's simple, very simple to decipher. Guiding you, you don't have to memorize anything of this. I'll keep this slide open. But now I would request all of you who is on the call to just keep your things away and close your eyes, sit comfortably, feet on the ground, and your hands in this position on your lap. You can close your eyes, take a deep breath in, slowly release it. Take another deep breath, release it slowly. Again, let's take a deep breath, slowly release it. Now, keep your left hand as it is on your lap, and your right hand pointing towards the ground. On the ground, you can see it on the ground. And here, we are the motherly energy. Here, our left hand. This is the process of clearing the left channel, which is also called the main channel, the Ira Nadi, the one that was green color on the chart. Now, we clear all blockages, all the negativities, left side of my body, and then be absorbed by mother first. Mother, please balance my left channel. Keep your eyes closed and feel it within the heart. Once or twice. Mother, please balance my left channel. With all the negativity, all my past thoughts, be absorbed by the earth element. The left palm, this mechanism. Now, slowly you can bring your right palm on your lap and move your left hand as it is on the shown on the slide. You can open your eyes and see for yourself and then close your eyes if you have any doubt. So this is how we sit, and here we say mother energy please relay all the futuristic thoughts, all my planning, all the seeds generated with my excessive planning. Remove all of them and let them go to the side element. Mother, please silence my right channel, my finger mind. Mother, please clear all the blockages of the right side of my body and move them to the side element. You can make the sensation from your fingertips if you have any. Now, bring your left hand also onto your lap. So now both the hands stay on the lap, palms up, keep your eyes closed. Now let's point our palms towards the ground and let's balance our central channel. The central channel is the channel of the present. That is the one which is most important and feel with all the chakras active. This is the channel to the energetic part. So let's say, mother energy, please balance my Krishna Nadi, or please balance my central channel. Pencil on top of your head and then your palms. Slowly bring your palms on the lap. Now, sit with your eyes closed for 1 minute. If you have any thoughts coming to your mind, just say, I said it. Or you can say, not this, not now. The thoughts will go away. Let us sit in this space for a minute. Slowly you can open your eyes. Now, everyone who has done this might be feeling a state of listening. There might be thoughts before the session, but now you are thoughtful. Just note down the feelings that come along and observe your continual brain area, the top of your head. Just observe if you have some feelings. If you have a feeling of coolness, if you have a feeling of warm breeze, tingling sensations on your fingertips, just observe. Any feelings if you have, it indicates that your subtle system has started working and your energy is clearing your channels to your chakra. Now, Mamta will take you forward to the clearance of chakras. There are 7 chakras as we discussed. So over to you, Mamta. Mamta will be actually telling you forward, like how to clear the important chakras. Over to you. Mamta, I think you're on mute. Can you unmute? I think you're on mute, Mamta. Just remove your mute. Mamta is on. Can someone unmute Mamta? Whoever is the organizer, please.
Professor Anshura? Professor Bansal?
Now can you hear me? Now am I audible?
Yes.
So good evening everyone. Now next slide, here you can see that you have to place your right
just wait.
palm.
Just wait.
So as you can see in this slide, you have to place your right palm on your heart. Keep your left palm open on your lap. Sit in a very relaxed position. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes and say this prayer after me. I am nothing but a pure spirit. I am nothing but a pure spirit. I am only a pure spirit. In the next step, place your right palm on the left side of your neck and turn your chin towards the right side. You can open your eyes and see the slide also. Or you can see I am also sitting in the same position. Your right palm on the left side of the neck and your chin turn towards the right side. Now close your eyes and say this prayer after me. I am not guilty. Please remove all feelings of guilt. I have not done anything wrong because I am a pure spirit, so I am not guilty. I am not guilty. Now, in the next step, place your palm, right palm, on your forehead and bow the head forward and say this prayer. This is very important, very, very important. I forgive everyone, including myself. I forgive everyone and I forgive myself. Now, in the next step is the last step. Bring your right palm on top of your head. Press gently, and here you have to rotate your palm in clockwise direction 7 times. 7 times because we have 7 chakras in our body. So we will be rotating our palm 7 times in clockwise direction, and we will be humbly, very humbly asking for self-realization. Please give me my 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 self-realization. Now the divine energy which is there within us gets awakened. That's Kundalini Shakti. It has different names in different religions, but it's same in all of us. Now when this energy gets awakened, then try to lift your palm and try to feel, as you can feel maybe some cool breeze, or can be hot sensation also. For different people it can be different. Some might get some cool feeling, cool vibration, some might feel hot, or maybe you might not feel it the first time. That's also perfectly fine. But just try to feel by lifting your right palm over your head. You can try doing it with the other hand also. Bring your right hand down and take your left hand up. Try to feel it with the left hand. The energy has already got weakened in all of us. Keep your eyes closed. You can get both your palms down now. Just sit in this position for some time. You can open your eyes now. So now your inner energy it's awakened now. If you want to share your feelings, your experience, you can ask us or you can say something about it.
You can let us know what you felt. You must have felt something on your fingertips, because all our energy centers end on our fingers, on the palm. So if you have felt anything, hot, cold, even if you haven't felt, it's fine. It's just the beginning, and you will do. So very soon. So from here on, actually, the next slide, actually we have a lot of such sessions and going on. Like we have a global session for Asia Pacific and North America. The link is on this on the screen and the timings also. Other than that, I have also noted down our numbers. If you want to contact either of us, you could do so on WhatsApp or on a call. We would suggest you to give this a try today, tonight. Everyone on this call, 10 minutes if you can spend today before you go to sleep. Just try this meditation, just the left clearing, the right clearing, and sit in silence for 2 minutes without any thoughts. The crux of this system is to sit in thoughtless awareness. If you can sit in thoughtless awareness even for 1 second, the energy does powerful. The energy is very powerful and it does a lot of healing within our subtle body, our physical body, our mental, emotional, everything is healing for the good. So just give it a try today. If anyone has any questions to share, any questions or any feelings or anything you want to ask us, please do so before we run out of time. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you, everyone. If you have any query, you can ask. And we have already shared our numbers with you. You can call us or you can message us anytime.
There is a Google form which I'm sharing on the chat if anyone wants to. If you can. Anyone wants to share anything that you felt? I am not able to open the chat. Is it enabled? Is that enabled?
मैम आप वो डिटेल्स संघवी सर को दे दीजिएगा, ही विल शेयर टू द अटेंडेes.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do. Okay. Let me just. Anything else? Any questions?
So I heartily thank.
Yes.
Yeah. So if any participant has any kind of questions or doubts, they can ask here, or they can leave a question on the chat section.
Okay, so I think we are good today, and I'll just get in touch with Sangi sir for the Google form. So I wish everyone can fill the Google form. Let us know your feelings and your feedback about the session. Thank you and happy meditation.
Sure, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Right. I heartily thank both the speakers for taking all of us on the journey of calmness and inner peace with having meditation as our vehicle. Generally, people do not know what great senses or aura and inner strength they are having. But after this session, I really hope all of us have come so close to ourselves. So, Sanghvi sir, would you like to give any concluding remarks?
No, no, it's really wonderful, and I think if all the participants and all the people will do in their regular life, definitely it is very advantageous, and I hope this session uh, will help the participant uh, to do this on regular basis. And thank you very much, ma'am. Within a short time, we have arranged this session, and thank you very much for your support and
Thank
cooperation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
As
Thank
you guys are scientific theory, but this session was very small, so we had to build it, very precise to this time. I hope, we'll make the best of it. Thank you very much.